loves, I'm coming at you with awesome deals from Amazon and a few requested items. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started because some of these will not last long. And remember, all the information you need will be down in the description box like codes and links. Now let's go ahead and get started. For the first one here, we have this irrigation kit, and this is a 55 feet, currently $10, which is great, but with the code, we're getting it for only $4.99. Next deal here, we have this Gain in Wash Laundry Scent Booster Beads, and this is a 12.2 ounce. This comes with a coupon, so go ahead and clip it and get it for $5.97. Next deal here, we have this Cervical neck pillow. This is a memory foam one for only $9.99, and that's a price drop. Next deal here, we have the men's short sleeve button down shirts with pocket, and this one, of course, there are different colors and sizes to choose from. This just happens to be the lowest, which is $9.99, with the code bringing it down even more, down to $4.99. Next deal here, we have this ribbed style lounge set, and this we're gonna save big, more than 50%. It is currently $25. With the code, it's going to be $10.99. Next deal here, we have an amazing price drop on these tops right here. These are long sleeve style, but has amazing reviews, and some of these are only $7.99. Next deal here, we have this 6-roll of vacuum sealer bags. A few of you missed out on it last time, so it is a requested item. Go ahead and clip the coupon and get it for $8.36. Next deal here, we have this outdoor candle, and this is of course great for the patio, and this one you can get it for only $4.99 with the code, saving an additional 50%, and it does come in a ceramic little pot or jar. Forgot to mention that. Now next deal here, we have this 2-pack of portable chargers, and this makes a great gift idea, by the way, and yes, you're getting 2 for only $14.99 with the code. Now next deal here, we have this 5-pack of metal plant stand, perfect for your patio or garden, and this heavy duty, so that's great, and it's currently $23 with the code. It's going to be $13.79. Next deal here, we have an awesome price drop on this lawn mower. It is electric, has amazing reviews, and this one regular price for it is like $160. It is currently $57 and some change. Next deal here, we have these initial makeup bags or travel toiletry bags, and of course you have different letters to choose from. These are priced at $16, but with the code we're getting it for only $5.59. Next deal here, we have this hair serum. This has amazing reviews, currently price drop, which is great, but we're not going to stop there. Add the code and we're going to get it for only $7.98. Next deal here, we have this bomb kit, and this you're getting 3 of them. It is super popular. Go ahead and clip the coupon and get it for $8.58. Now next deal here, we have these Pringles grab and go cans. You are getting 12 of them. This is cheddar cheese for $10.08. Next deal here, we have an amazing price drop on these bins, which by the way you could also use for like laundry if you want to, but this one is the lowest at I thought the astronaut was the lowest. The pink roses is actually at $4.99, and that's how it looks. Now next deal here, we have this 360 flipping rotating RC car, and it is remote controlled, and this one you can get it for $9.99 with the code. Next deal here, we have an awesome price drop on this kids camera. It instantly prints the pictures and is also $9.99. Next deal here, we're going to save big on this adjustable rolling skates for kids. This has amazing reviews. Don't forget to clip the coupon. We're going to combine it with the code and get it for only $13.19. Kind of off season, but here we have these Christmas earrings set, and this one is currently price dropped down to $2.99. Last deal for this video, another item that is totally off season but amazing price. Here we have this DIY like metal cutter, and this one is $4.49, and it is a gingerbread themed one. As always, my lovelies, I hope these deals help. Now run, but come back and let us know what you snagged.